Hello everyone, question time. A term infant is admitted to the neonatal intensive care with respiratory distress. On examination, you hear a loud murmur. The pulse oximetry shows a saturation range from 89 to 92. A chest x-ray, echocardiogram, and ECG are obtained, which are displayed here. So what do you think is the best course of action? This is the bigger image view. This is the bigger EKG. Going back to the question, so take your time and think, what do you think is the right answer? Should we do cardioversion? Should we start prostaglandin? Should we start beta blocker? Or it's time now to intubate and place the baby on the ventilator? Think about it. Option is perform cardioversion. And this is the reference. So basic idea is, to understand the pathophysiology associated with AV canal defect and the management of atrial flutter. So I hope you guys, have learned something from this question. For feedback, please email me, and we'll probably, discuss it later. Okay, have a good day.